Hi everyone, I'm Clarice and today I want to talk about repeating your marketing message. So many people think that creating videos for your business is a very complex and difficult process, and they're like wondering, okay, like how many videos should I be creating? Isn't it editing is a lot of work and things like that. But what they don't realize is that the video content that you create can be easily repurposed into different length of a video. How you can do it is, for example, if you're doing like length of video, you can talk about the main point in like a shorter video, like a 6-second video, and then you can create like a 15-second video. So from this 15-second video, what you can do is you can cut out this important message of 6 seconds, and then you can add different imagery on top, or like music. It's a bit of variety in it. However, that punchiness in the short video versus the feeling when someone watches like longer video might provide like a different perspective and focus on the message itself. So this has been particularly useful for some businesses where they want to keep their video budget small, but they want like a huge variety. Repeating your message is extremely important when it comes to marketing. Studies have shown that when someone hears your message again and again and again, they would perceive it to be a true message. It sort of brainwashes, in a positive way. It drives in the message and they remember it better if you repeat the same message in a different way. So if you are looking to create videos on a small budget in 2019, think of how you can cut up one message into different perspective, different length. By repeating the message, you can target this to people who have interacted with your brand once or twice, but you want to drill it in, moving them from the brand awareness stage to a prospective buyer stage. So if you keep showing them these videos through remarketing channels and they hear your message again and again, it's more likely to trigger them to think, oh yeah, okay, yes, and then it keeps coming back to their mind, and you want to have your business at the top foremost of their mind when they want to consider buying a certain product. What do you think about creating repeated message? Do you create new videos for your different channels, or do you repurpose and cut up different lengths of your video for your different social media channels? Let me know in the comments below if you found this tip really useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, tap on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you will never miss any of my videos. See you next time!